Meet Alex. 2 years ago, he lost everything: his job, his home, and his confidence. Life had brought him to his knees. With nowhere to turn, Alex had to face the harsh realities of life. Nights in his car became the norm, and rejection after rejection chipped away at his hope. But Alex refused to give up. One night, Alex stumbled upon a story just like this. A story of someone who overcame the impossible. It sparked something inside him. He decided it was time to fight back. He applied for jobs relentlessly, worked on new skills, and pushed his limits every single day. Slowly but surely, his hard work began to pay off. Within a year, Alex landed a job that reignited his passion. He rebuilt his life from the ground up, proving that setbacks are just setups for comebacks. Alex's story is a reminder that adversity doesn't define you. Your response to it does. No matter how hard life gets, remember, you have the power to rise above it.